Hey everyone, Prasad Polarapu here. Today, I've got something game-changing to share with you. It's all about Polaris. Polaris is revolutionizing security analysis by bringing our market-leading security engines together in one unified platform. Sounds pretty neat, right? So, what's in it for you as a security analyst? Well, imagine having comprehensive vulnerability management solutions right at your fingertips. With Polaris, you can run different tests at different times, all based on your specific needs, whether it's by application, project, schedule, or even SDLC events. Flexibility is key here. Polaris gives you the freedom to automate any scan, anytime, anywhere, and all at once. That's right. No more juggling multiple tools and schedules. You can set it and forget it, knowing that Polaris is keeping your systems secure. And the best part? You get a bird's-eye view of your entire security landscape. This means quicker identification of vulnerabilities and faster remediation times. It's like having a security co-pilot that's always on the lookout. Polaris is designed to adapt and grow with your needs, making it the ultimate tool for modern security analysts. So why not take your security game to the next level? Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out Polaris for a streamlined, efficient, and robust security solution. Until next time, stay secure. Catch you later.